Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Guy 123 Naga. Today I'm going to make a small garden over here. This is the place where I'm digging today. So everyone please watch. Today I'm going to finish the dig and I'm going to plant the small the spices like beans, cabbage and many things else. So after I dig I'm going to plant, and when I plant I'll make you show. And see, I am living near the jungle, but then it made me fresh living near the jungle. Here we go, it's my home. This is the tree, all the tree that give me fresh. And everyone, you see there is lychee, right? Lychee. That is called lychee, and your upper there is called monkey rice. And this is my house. I'm very thin, but I can work. I can work till the sunset. So guys,
Nổi đấy nhé ba. Mấy nó căng thẳng thế này ba, còn chưa chút này để họ chết. Yang bio si uza, brewe uza ni si se. Yam, habak suba haiba ko. Aduga. Marak-marakta adum nupi su koi bani. Kang ni ko. Adum kaino nupi lai re de adum line da changma yar ni.
Yai. Changma yaw ni.
Magi stamina do hande ba.
Hojikan se ma di reserve ni lai bani ko.
Adune. Hanak di Tabak sudrabadi hingba yadre adudi nupi sing yengbiu nupa tabak suba kanba nupa haibase asini yengo tanroina
if you have interest in my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.